I can type 90 words a minute. Kidding. But I had a few errors. Where's my... All right. So, second page, number 13. Second page, number 13. You babysat for 8 hours one night. It says on night. It should be one night. I fixed it here already, so you have to fix it on your paper. This would be number 13. It's one night, so an E, add an E there. Then go to the next page, number 20. Number 20, and it says the product of a number of 6. Product of 6 and a number is, it should be 18, not 15. Number 20, 18, not 15. 21, the word product that was written here should be sum. So number 21, it says product, change it to the word sum. And then I believe everything works out. And then number 26, it says the sum of 4 times a number and 3, and I believe the and 3 is what I forgot. So you should have that added. And 3, did you go? And then number 28. Draw a line through 28. Because that's the same as, it was the same as, I think, 15 or one of those other ones. Or 25 or something. Anyways, so, and I believe that is it. So these are going to be numbered a little bit different than yours, not a big deal. So your 29 is my 28 and so forth, but that doesn't matter. I think everything else is set. Now, if you go back to the top or the beginning, what we are going to do is go through not every problem. I'm going to do some of them. So let's start with number 3. So look at number 3. I'm not going to do them all, so I'm going to skip around. Number 3. At last week's football game, there were 125 people in attendance. Okay, and that is last week. This week, there are 34 more, and then it says how many people attended the football game this week. So I want to know how many are this week using the information from last week. So last week is 125. This week, there's 34 more. So this week, there will be 159. If I did my math right, in attendance. Okay? You just had to know. You got to read through the problem. You got to ask yourself, am I going to add? Am I going to subtract? Am I going to multiply? Am I going to divide? Or am I going to do a combination of those things? Okay, because you're going to have one-step problems and some two-step problems mixed in here. All right, the next one, number 6. One type of airplane can seat 116 people. A second type of airplane can seat 15 more people. How many can the second type of airplane seat? Sometimes if you ask yourself, gee, which one is more, then it helps you know if you got to add or subtract. But it's going to be 116, and you're going to have to add the 15, and you get 131. Number 6, questions. Number 9. Your sister is 3 years older than you. You are 14 years old. How old is your sister? So you're going to go 14 plus 3 is 17. Your sister is 3 years older than you. You are 14, so your sister's 17. Number 12. 4 friends spent $36 on tickets for a movie. How much does one ticket cost? So you have the 36, and you have your 4 friends. That's going to be $9. Okay? 36 divided by 4 is 9. 15. A grocery store, or at a grocery store, you bought 4 boxes of cereal and a carton of strawberries. Okay, so you bought 4 boxes of cereal. Because, well, I already know it's the X because, yeah, anyways. The carton of strawberries is $2.89. The bill came to $12.25. So let me go over how I set this up again. Okay. You bought 4 boxes of cereals and a carton of strawberries. So I knew I was going to have some amount plus another amount is going to give me the $12.25. Okay. Then it tells us the carton of strawberries is $2.89, so I know the $2.89, doesn't matter where you put it, but $2.89 is in here. And the bill came to $12.25. How much does 1 box of cereal? You bought 4 of them, how much does 1 cost? Can anybody tell me what type of equation this is? 2-step equation, yeah. Just like we did yesterday. So we will subtract the $2.89. I'm going to write it over here. Like this. I'm going to write subtract $2.89. So we're going to subtract the $2.89, and that gives me 4x equals 12.25 minus the $2.89 is 9.36. And then I divide by 4, and I get x equals 234. So again, just like yesterday, when you're solving the 2-step equation, you're going to subtract the $2.89 and then divide by the 4. Questions on 15? All right, 18. The sum of 6 and a number. The sum of 6 and a number is 15. The sum of 6 and a number is 15. We subtract the 6. And we get n equals 9. 1-step equation, just subtract the 6. 21. Remember on 21, this is sum. So it says the sum of 6 and 3 times a number. The sum of 6 and 3 times a number is 15. I didn't I don't have enough space there to show all the steps, but first thing you're going to do is subtract the 6. Okay, you subtract the 6 and you'll get 3n equals 9, and then divide by 3 and you get n equals 3. Number 24. The sum of 7 times a number and 3. So I have the sum, I'm adding 7 times a number and 3 is 45. Two-step equation, subtract the 3, and then divide by the 7. We get n equals 6.
Pardon this brief interruption. Good morning, students and staff. This is Principal O'Keefe. At this time, we will begin our lockdown drill. Please go over the previously sent slideshow in your classroom. At the completion of your classroom discussion, you may resume your regular scheduled day. There will not be an all clear at the end of this drill. Thank you so much.
All right, and then let's do one more, number 29. Some of you figured out I broke my pattern. Got to keep you on your toes. All right, number 29, and then I'll do the lockdown thing. Yes, my 29 is your 30. Thank you. Your 30. Your 30. Thank you for that. Your 30. All right. At a copy shop, you need to pay $3 per order. Plus, you're going to pay 10 cents per page. So how many copies were made if you spent $15? So you only have one order. Okay? So you're only going to have the $3 once. But you're going to have the 10 cents how many times? A lot. X. Okay? That's going to be your X. So you have your 0.10, 0.1, however you want to write this, X plus the 3 is going to equal to 15. Okay? So it's the 10 cents per copy plus the $3 for the order equals the 15 for everything. Subtract the 3, so you get 0.1 x is equal to 12, and then you divide by 0.1, and you get x equals 120 copies. Your assignment is to finish that packet. Not packet, let me rephrase that. 1 through 31 on your sheet. 1 through 31, and you probably have what, 10 of them done already? You only have 20 some problem. Oh, lockdown. We got to do lockdown first. Sorry. This way.
Can I just run there?